In this video, you'll learn how to resize an image using just the terminal on Ubuntu. First, you need to make sure the right tool is installed. The tool we'll use is called ImageMagick. To check if it's already installed, open your terminal and type convert version. If you see version details, it means ImageMagick is installed. If you get an error, you need to install it. To do that, type sudo apt update sudo apt install ImageMagick. After installation, you can resize an image with one command. Let's say your image is called photo.jpg, and you want to resize it to 800 by 600 pixels. You would type convert photo.jpg, resize 800x 600 resized _photo.jpg. This command creates a new image file called resized _photo.jpg. The original image stays the same. You can also resize an image by percentage. For example, to make it 50% smaller, use convert photo.jpg resize 50% smaller _photo.jpg. If you're working with PNG or other formats, the same command works. Just replace the file names with your own. Sometimes you may want to overwrite the original image. Be careful with this because it deletes the original. To do that, run convert photo.jpg, resize 800x 600 photo.jpg. That's it. You've resized an image using only the terminal on Ubuntu. Simple, fast, and no need to open any software. Thanks for watching.